If you're looking to add a TV and you're kind of cramped for space or you don't want anything holding the TV up, this is a great way to mount it right to the rafter. All right, here's another walkthrough of a project we did probably about a year ago or so. And this is in Providence Plantations. This is actually the neighborhood that my brother-in-law lives in. And I've been walking the streets with my wife way back before we even moved to Charlotte. So there's a story behind that. The homeowner built this porch with a plan in mind to have vinyl film windows put in eventually. So they spaced these posts roughly 5 feet apart, and the front ones are a little bit narrower. The rest of them are really wide. So roughly 60 inches, maybe a little bit less than 60 inches, makes for a really wide window. If you are going to build your porch, I would recommend making these a little bit narrower, around 50, 52 inches wide. That way it's going to be easier to operate. Otherwise, these here, because they're so wide, it's a little bit tougher to push them up and down because you have to really put some strength and accuracy into it. And because the homeowner was anticipating putting these windows in, they already had the railings inside so that there would be enough room on the outside or inside of the post, but towards the outside, to be able to install the windows. Most of the time, homeowners or contractors install the railings in between the posts, and then that railing has to move either in or out in order to install the windows. And because this is a gable roof with a vaulted ceiling, we do have an opening on the gable end that has been closed in with a fixed vinyl transom. If you're looking to add a TV and you're kind of cramped for space or you don't want anything holding the TV up, this is a great way to mount it right to the rafter. So you may notice how big of a pet door we have in this door here. They have a pretty large dog, and they wanted to be able to have their dog come in and go as the dog pleases, basically. So we installed a solid panel underneath with a vinyl film window on top of it, and then cut it out into a space where the dog comes out. Look at him, he's coming right out. Oh, almost. So while we were here, another thing that the homeowner was kind of struggling with is getting their gutters clogged. So we added some gutter guards all over the whole house here for them as well. So you can see to my right here, to your left, we have the windows installed. We have one window closed just for you guys. And then the rest of them, the homeowner had opened because they wanted to get as much airflow and basically utilize it as a screen room. This porch is a second level porch. Again, you need some kind of a fall barrier. You saw the railing on the inside. Those could be installed inside or outside. As mentioned before, they're already anticipating adding these windows on the outside, so they had the railings pre-built on the inside. But otherwise, they're really enjoying it. They were happy to keep the pollen out this spring. Up to this point, it's been covered with pollen every single spring. They were getting tired of cleaning it. And now they didn't have to clean the inside at all. So whether you're looking to enclose your porch or add gutter guards or replace a roof, give us a call. We'll be happy to help you, get you an estimate, and get the project done for you.